It is 4:05 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, February 28th, 2024. We're on the world-famous via train number 2, the Canadian, headed from Toronto Union Station to Park Central Union Station, Vancouver, British Columbia. We're on the Canadian Pacific Kansas City Railroad Parry Sound Subdivision, about to cross the Canadian National Railway East-West Main Line, the Bala Subdivision, BALA. Here's the CN we're going to cross, and we'll be on it later on this train. We're getting near the next stop of Sudbury Junction, Ontario. We are due to stop at Sudbury Junction at 4:57 p.m. That's the stop on this via train number 1 for Sudbury, Ontario. We have two General Motors. Two General Motors F40PH-2 locomotives, manufactured at the Diesel Division, General Motors Canada Limited, London, Ontario, Canada plant, with most components from where I worked, Electromotive Division, General Motors Corporation, McCook, Illinois plant. We have one baggage car, one coach, one Skyline Dome car for the coach passengers. Seven sleeping cars, including this one, Fraser Manor. I'm in open section lower berth number 02L. We have one Skyline Dome car, one dining car. Bringing up the rear, Dome observation car, Laurentides Park. The seat I'm on and the seat you're looking at become horizontal for nighttime use, becomes the open section lower berth. Now we're looking across the open section lower berth number 01L, and I had that on the eastbound via rail Canadian train number 2 on this trip, Vancouver to Toronto, Canada. It's now 4:10 p.m. Wednesday afternoon, February 28th, 2024, on world famous via rail train number 1, the Canadian, bound from Toronto to Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, north of Parry Sound, Ontario, south of Sudbury Junction, Ontario, over and out.